Look.
Oh, there's your purse.
Here, baby. Uh-oh. She wants the camera.
How about your purse? Let's go. Come on.
Here. Here, show Mommy what's in your purse. What did we put in the purse?
Let me see.
Ooh.
Nuts.
Look. Uh-oh. Here, put it in the purse. Put it in there. You want to put Ducky in here? We put Ducky in there? Here. No. You don't put it in your mouth. Here. I have a purse. I'm going to go home. Bye. Wanna go? Wanna go with Ducky? Wanna come to the door with me? Shayna? Shayna, look. Wanna come here? Look. We put this in here. Yeah? Look. This is Shayna's purse. Oh, Ducky can stay in there. No. No, Ducky's not allowed to stay in there. Here.